Today I'm joined by one of the fantastic acts from the Musicians Against Homelessness stage. I'm here for a cake and a chat with Scouting for Girls.
So raise your right hand, repeat after me. On my honour, I promise I will do my best.
On my honour, I promise I will do my best.
To eat all of this cake.
To eat all of this cake.
To help others eat this cake.
Others eat this cake.
And to keep the Scouting for Girls law.
And to keep the Scouting for Girls law.
Fantastic. Guys, thank you so much for taking a break from the studio to join us today.
Nice.
We are thrilled to have you here. How's the new album going?
It's good. It's good. We're about 3/4 of the way through. And it's sounding great. It's kind of, I'm hoping what everybody expects from Scouting for Girls. It's kind of, it's fun, it's upbeat, it's happy, it's silly, pop. Indie pop, you know, it's what I think we do best, especially silly.
Silly is good.
Yeah, so it's, you know, it's exciting. We're just in the process of signing a new record deal, and it should all be. We're hoping to have new music in the summer, and then new album sort of in the autumn. So
Perfect. You're going to join us at Foodies Festival.
yeah,
We're really excited to have you. What can our foodies expect from your live show?
It'll be quite slow if we...
gentle.
After all that sugar, are you kidding me?
Can we eat this now?
You can.
Oh,
you
wicked.
can eat it.
I don't think I've ever had a cake
Yeah.
With bacon.
with bacon.
Ah,
And
you're missing out.
these are three things which I all really like. Love bananas.
Yeah.
Love peanut butter. Love bacon.
Genius.
So good.
Mm.
Almost worth dying on the toilet.
That's the best. That is the best review of a cake I've ever had. This cake is worth dying on the toilet for. I'm going to write that on the recipe.
You should do. It's really good. I'm off to the toilet.
Oh. So you're joining a great lineup of artists at Foodies Festivals this year, supporting a very, very good cause. Do you want to tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, it's you know, it's great to be involved with Musicians Against Homelessness. I sort of came across the charity, which I think was founded originally, one of the founder members, Alan McGee, who started Creation Records, who signed Oasis, was like, you know, is kind of an idol to us in terms of the, you know, the bands which he signed and the way he went around his business. And I think the first time I came across them was when at Prince Harry's wedding, when they had when they were trying to clear the Windsor streets of homelessness, and they put on gigs around that. So it's, you know, we are, you know, really pleased to sort of put our name, you know, to support such an incredible, a very worthwhile charity.
Fantastic. So we want everyone at Foodies to remember to put their hands in their pockets and to put money in the bins for
Yeah, absolutely.
Musicians Against Homelessness.